Hey fellow bakers, for all 10 of you that found and subscribed to the channel so far, thank you. That means a lot. You may have noticed I hadn't posted a new video in a little while, and there's a reason for that. I've been working on rebranding the channel, prepping and filming new content, and getting some much needed help with editing for the channel. But first, the big news. The new channel name is The Practical Baker. I wanted the name to support one of my primary channel goals, which is to help folks learn how to bake, but also to do that with some practical advice that will help identify what you need to know to bake better versus things to just know. For instance, when biscuit baking, keeping your hands off the dough as much as possible helps you to not melt the butter. However, it took me a long time to find out why that's important. It's because keeping the butter as cold as possible helps create those flaky layers in the biscuit everyone is always talking about. But more on that in my biscuit video that's coming out real soon. Alright, if you're watching this and you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. And then click the bell button too, please. That will let you know when the biscuit video and lots of other great content is out for you to learn from and enjoy. With a little luck, while mostly planning, filming, and editing, I'll be posting lots more great baking videos for you very soon. For now, enjoy a shot of some delicious pizza I made for another video I shot this past weekend. Take care, and let's bake!